Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to change your shortcuts in CapCut. So I was just trying to, edit this video and all, and I was like, I can't do Control T, I can't do Control X. Oh wait, yes I can. I can't do Control D, but I was trying to do a normal split, and it's Control B. So yeah, we need to change that shortcut immediately. So once you go on CapCut, you got to go up here on the top left, the main menu, and then go to Help, and then go to Shortcuts. And then from there, you should be able to change your shortcut to another key. So instead of Control B, for me, it's going to be Control T. So Control T is going to make me be able to split. And there we go. Control Z for that, Control T for this. All right, awesome. So now we're able to split, and we have other ways to do more shortcuts there. If you have any other questions or any type of questions, just let me know. Let's get it, let's go, and I'll see you on another video. Peace.